How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another G35 video. My name is Lewis, and if you are new, guys, this is my G35 that I recently just bought. So basically the goal for this car, we're gonna build it. I don't know if we're gonna turn it into like a drift spec missile, or we're gonna just turn it into a beast of a street car. But yeah, guys, I just picked this car up and I'm super excited. But like I said, if you are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, because we are going to be pumping out so much content with this car, and I would like you guys to be along with me on the journey. But anyways, let me just give you guys an update what's going on with the G, and then we can get into today's video. So basically, as I mentioned in my last video, when I drive the car, it shakes. So at first I thought it was the rotors and pads, and it still might be the rotors and pads, but after further inspection, I lifted the car up, threw it on some jacks. Basically the tie rods and the ball joints were shot. So let me go ahead and show you guys. As you can see, the bushings are torn and they are all worn out, and I believe this is where the shaking really is coming from, but it's still, my rotors and pads still squeak and the car still shakes a little. I did order new pads and rotors, so those are coming in. When those come in, we can do that. But anyways, with all that said, the G has been down. It's been sitting for the past couple of days, and I just haven't had time to like really clean it or wash it or anything. So basically what we're going to be doing in today's video is we are going to do like a full detail on the car. If you guys don't know, I am a professional detailer. I work at Audi. So that's basically what I do for a living. That's what I do all day. So I have limited supplies. So we're actually gonna have to make a run to like a detailing place to pick up some compound and a clay bar. But I do have a buffing machine, so we're all set. And I don't think I'm gonna wax the car. It doesn't really need it. The car doesn't have a lot of swirl marks. It's just pretty dirty, and I just want to clean it up. The paint for the most part is like 90% okay. But as you guys can see, there's like bird crap on it. There's like pollen all over, water spots. But first, before we do anything, I'm starving and I have not had breakfast, and it's like 11, almost 12 in the afternoon. We're gonna go get like some McDonald's real fast, just so you know I have energy to do this. I would give you guys a cold start and we can go get some breakfast and clean the G. And if you guys are wondering, I just have a simple muffler delete for now. I ordered a full titanium exhaust. It's just on back order, and it's gonna take like a couple months to get here, but it's something special and you guys are gonna love it. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the cold start with the muffler delete. So let's get it. Here's the interior. Of course, we have a black interior. I really don't like the tan, but everything's pretty mint in here besides the dashboard. It's all cracked, don't mind that. Oh shit, gotta shift. Yeah guys, we're like halfway to McDonald's. I can already taste the sausage egg McMuffin. Update guys, we made it to Mickey D's, but they are not serving breakfast anymore. We just missed it, so I'm probably just gonna get some chicken nuggets. That's like my go-to. McDonald's secured, and we just made it to AutoZone. We're gonna throw on the mask. I hate these things, dude, but coronavirus, right? You guys ever just get out of your car and walk like 10 feet and then just look back at it for like a minute? Damn, this is like heaven for me right now, guys. Alright, so I think we're gonna pick up this turtle wax stuff. I'm probably gonna get this, like degreaser stuff, just to clean out the engine bay. And just like that, we made it home, guys. I didn't show you what clay bar I picked up. I just went with some brand that I'm not familiar with. Hopefully these are good. And then I got all the other stuff I showed you. But first, let's get to these chicken nuggets. What the? I ordered a 10-piece. Bro, are you guys, there's 4 chicken nuggets in here. I ordered a 10. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I ate some. I tend to do that. I try not to eat in my car, but I was like absolutely starving, so I had chicken nuggets, okay? Don't judge me. Shoot. Sheesh, this thing is clean, boy. It's a lot cleaner. I did clay bar. I didn't bother to record. I was busy clay barring. But the paint is super smooth. So now what I'm going to do is take my cheap Home Depot buffing machine and take my turtle wax polisher and just go around the paint and do that. So let's get it. And just like that, guys, we finally finished the G35. Man, do I tell you guys, this paint is absolutely shining in the sunlight. You can see the flake again. You can't see any swirl marks whatsoever. It just looks super good, and I'm super satisfied with the results. Let me just go ahead and give you guys like a walk around, show you the car. Let's see if you can see that flake up close. I don't know how good you guys can see that. Just look at that flake, guys. Flawless. So I'm super happy that the G35, the paint came out pretty decent. The car definitely looks clean. And yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video. If you guys did make it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you for all the love and support you guys show me. And don't forget to leave a big thumbs up on today's video. Something carbon came in the mail today, so just probably next video we're going to be installing that, so stay tuned, guys. But with all that said, I will see all of you in the next video, and until then, peace out.